Hey, Dave Cook coming at you. We're working on our new office. So one of the things we wanted was a dry erase board, and those things, as most of you know, are really expensive. So a lot of people are using that dry erase paint, and we've put it up a couple places. Seems to work good, but it's pretty costly. But I wanted a dry erase that was magnetic also, but magnetic paint is pretty costly also. So we were looking back and forth the cost of a pretty large size whiteboard / magnetic, and it was several $100s to say the least. So I came across this thing online, and this is the company name, and it's actually whiteboard magnetic wallpaper. So we're a wallpaper company, so we're good. So you can kind of see it was a little bit shorter. It was supposed to be 8 feet. It wasn't quite 6. I should have measured first, but I didn't. So it came with double-sided tape, and we put it up with the double-sided tape, and overnight the double-sided tape came right off the wall. So took the tape off, and then I just treated it like wallpaper, and we primed the wall with guards, and then did a coat of Roman Ultra Prime underneath that. And this stuff is really slick, as you can imagine. It's just a dry erase board on the back, except it's magnetic. So on the back side, in order to get this to stick, I used a different type of wallpaper adhesive, and it's Roman, there it is, Extreme Tack. It used to be called VOV, vinyl over vinyl. So this stuff sticks, and it sticks really, really well. So I put it to the wall, let it tack up, and then went over it with a roller one more time to, let it get really more sticky and get more adhesion. And then we just, I back rolled this thing. So I just used a cardboard tube that we had in the office for some other wallpaper. So I just took the dry erase board, put it on the tube, and then I just unrolled it along the wall to get it up there. And then I just used traditional wallpaper tools, smooth it out, and it's on there now. Looks pretty good. There hasn't been issues where it's coming up or wanting to bubble or move. It was rolled black side in, so it's wanting to uncurl itself. So it was really hard to kind of break that memory of it, but I had it sitting overnight, and then again with this wallpaper adhesive, this stuff is really sticky. So there you go. There's a way to do a whiteboard for your home and office. And the wallpaper, this whiteboard stuff, I got it, I think it was Amazon, and I think it was 19 bucks for the stuff. So for the cost and what I spent, we might have an hour into this by the time we primed it, wait for it to dry, glued it, unpacking it, unrolling it. There's no way we have an hour into this, but it's a lot cheaper than buying a whole whiteboard that you see at the office supply store. So there's a good alternative for you for a whiteboard for your office. They have different sizes. I got a bigger one. Next time we'll get a bigger one. So there you go. Wallpaper, white erase magnetic wallpaper. If you got any questions, definitely let us know. Hope you guys have a successful install with this like we did.